Welcome to Receptive Solutions, your one-stop solution to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. Today we are going to talk about the difference between visa and permit, especially if you're moving to Canada. So if you're moving to Canada, you must understand what is the difference between visa and permits. They are two different things with two different kind of documents. So first is the most important thing is to plan ahead. Whether it is visa or permit, you must sort all your documents. Different privileges are provided and different responsibilities are also given based on the purpose of the visit, and that will be defined by the way you get the visa and the permits for this. So what is visa? First understand what visa is. Visa is basically issued by the government of Canada for the sole purpose of permitting the entry into the country, that is the Canadian airport. So it actually ensures your transit through the Canadian airport. It is like a physical sticker that is placed on your passport so that that will define the purpose of your visit with an expiry. The visa does not confer, just remember, just understand this and note this point, that the visa does not confer at all the right to work or study in Canada, even if it is labeled as work visa or study visa, right? So you need permit for that. Now what permit is? Permit is a separate document which basically specify different permissions, limitations regarding the work or the study, including all the kind of restrictions or the conditions that are dependent on the work or the study based on the kind of permit that you have obtained or applied. So it basically directly authorizes to work or study in Canada. So when you apply for visa, you must understand that before the arrival, it is very important, it is mandatory to have visa in your hand before the arrival in the country, that is Canada. So if you do not have the visa, you will be barred from entering into the Canada. Okay. The visa can be obtained from Canadian Embassy or Visa Application Center, which is VAC. And if you're not having that, then you will be definitely actually denied to board the flight to Canada. So yeah, visa is very important, the first most important document. So permit is basically is also having an expiry date. So you must check visa has an expiry date and permit has an expiry date. Both have separate expiry dates, and you must actually pay attention to the expiry date that visa has and the expiry date that permit has. In case your visa expires within the Canada, if you have already traveled and your visa expires, you can apply within the Canada. And in case if you leave without applying, without renewal, then you will be actually barred from re-entering in the Canada. For example, if you have taken study visa and you left from colleges, vacation is there and your visa is expired, and if you leave without renewal, then the entry again the country entry into the country will be barred. So it's very important. In case if it expires, then you have to apply for the renewal. Renewal is very important, and departing without actually can lead to very serious actually issues, very serious circumstances. So definitely it is very important to understand and actually make proper documents and with visa and permit, and that is the reason why I am doing this episode. I hope that you actually like it. This was informative, and if you have any query, just log into receptivesolutionsco.in and all your queries will be acknowledged there. Thank you so much for watching, and do like this channel, subscribe.